Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the Chromecast is plugged into the TV and powered. The device must join the same Wi-Fi network as your laptop. Open Google Chrome on your computer now, because casting uses the browser's built-in tools. Once Chrome is running, click the three-dot menu and choose Cast to search for devices. If your Chromecast doesn't appear, make sure your laptop's Wi-Fi and network discovery are active. Sometimes Bluetooth helps with initial setup. Once you see the Chromecast listed, select it and decide whether to cast a browser tab, your entire desktop, or a local media file. Tabs are best for video and web content, desktop for apps. If you need finer control, open the Google Home app on your phone or laptop to name the device and set default display options. After choosing your source, play the content, Chrome streams it to the TV. Make sure your laptop stays on the same network during playback to avoid interruptions. To finish, click the cast icon in Chrome and choose Stop. You can also disconnect from the Google Home app. If casting fails, restart the Chromecast and your router, because temporary IP or multicast issues often cause dropouts. Make sure you're not on a guest or VPN network that isolates devices. Disable VPNs and allow Chrome through your firewall if necessary. If problems persist, factory reset the Chromecast as a last resort. Then rerun the setup. This clears stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.